everyone! Ever wish you could find that ad you like but can't quite remember the details? Well, in this video, I'll guide you through a quick method to locate recent ad you've interacted with. Stick around as we dive into the process of step by step. So, let's get started. First off, tap on your profile picture in the YouTube app and then navigate to the settings. Now, type History and Privacy in the search bar. Choose Manage All Activity. If you have multiple accounts, select the one where you view the ad. Here, I'll pick the account. And voila! You'll see a list of your recent activities. Locate the ad you're searching for. Play the ad to confirm, and there you have it. This method is handy, especially when you've liked a song from an ad and want to find it again. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.